So in this video, we're going to look into the symbol table generation. As we saw in the previous video about how the tokens are being separated, like the little element that's present in the code, separated and said what a operator or the keyword is. Here, we're going to create a table where it's going to separate all those symbols again and put it in an orderly manner so that it'll make more sense of how a program could look like. So if I'm going to input this value, this is how my output is going to look like. As usual, I'll show you how my code is. So this code again contains where the user has actually inputted and said what a token is, or keywords, or an operator, or a punctuators are. So with this, I'm gonna read my text that is gonna call back my input value is put into another file outside my code, and then I'm gonna use my statement of if and produce if it's gonna be my first position or the second position of reading a line each by one by each, and showing me how the end symbol generation table is. So what I'm really doing here is I'm calling out a for loop where my if statement is checking whether the variable t and k is equal to. If t is equal to k, I'm gonna append the token that's in the first position. If the position is second, then I'm going to pass it to my comma that's in punctuation. So each by each, every for loop and this statement is passed henceforth. So let me show you. Here I have my input file. So my input file is int ab is equal to 10, where float is equal c is equal to capital A, and double factor int of b. What I'm going to do, once I read my file and run it, this operation runs the program by reading the input file which I've given in the previous set and tells me what the file contains. So my input value is int a comma b is equal to 10. So my int value is here, it's a data type, my id is a. So all the data types which I've given there will be shown in a separate table stating what a data type is. Then in an id, all my variables, the values, whether it's null or 10 or an value assigned to my variable, that is c is equal to capital A. There you go. And then my factor into no arguments and t arguments as int with the quotes. So this is simple table generation where the symbols are set aside, separating, making more sense of what the symbols are working as inside a code. That's all for this.